This is the Maxim Tolum Fandelight and it's been a great addition to my living room. And before we dive in, hit subscribe and the notification bell for more honest reviews. Its design strikes the perfect balance between elegance and functionality, combining the look of a modern chandelier with the practicality of a ceiling fan. The size, 18.5 inches tall and 29 inches wide, fits perfectly in my space without feeling overwhelming. The LED light provides a warm, inviting glow that's bright enough to illuminate the room without being too harsh. The fan operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for keeping the room cool and comfortable. Installation was straightforward, and the build quality feels solid and reliable. Overall, this piece has significantly elevated the style and comfort of my space. Highly recommended for anyone looking to upgrade their home decor. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.